Namaskar. If your home had a water filter that works non-stop for 24 hours, would you not clean and maintain it regularly? Inside your body, there is such a filter, and that's your liver. Today, I'm going to speak about how a simple time-tested drink that can detox your liver naturally. The first and most practical remedy I recommend is a warm cup of Turmeric-cumin-coriander infusion in the morning. The recipe is simple. Take half teaspoon cumin seed, half teaspoon coriander seed, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Boil them in 2 cups of water. Add reduce to 1 cup. Strain and drink warm on an empty stomach. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. Research show curcumin supports liver enzyme balance and help reduce fat accumulation in fatty liver condition. Cumin and coriander seeds support digestion and bile production. Bile is essential for fat metabolism, and when bile flow improves, your liver workload reduces. This drink balances Pitta and Kapha dosha, improves Agni, the digestive fire, and supports proper Rakta Dhatu purification. Your digestion improves and reduces toxin. Take this drink daily for 8 to 12 weeks, especially if you have fatty liver or borderline liver enzyme. Drink it slowly, not in a hurry. There is also another very simple drink for liver detox, and that is fresh Amla water. Amla is rich in vitamin C, almost 20 times more than orange. It supports glutathione, its production in your body. Glutathione is one of the liver's most important detox molecule. Take 1 tablespoon of fresh Amla juice in a cup of lukewarm water in the morning, or chew 1 fresh Amla daily during winter season. Now I will tell you an important fact. See, liver diseases are the reason for nearly 2 million deaths every year worldwide. And in India, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is rising rapidly, especially among urban middle-class family. The problem is silent. The liver does not complain loudly. By the time symptoms appear, damage may already be underway. This is the problem. This is all because of some wrong daily habits, such as late dinners, frequent outside food, refined oil, sugary tea 5 times in a day, unnecessary painkillers, and long sitting hours. Then your liver is continuously processing toxins, excess sugar, and fat. Slowly, fat begins to accumulate. Energy reduces, acidity increases, skin dullness appears. We blame age, but often liver is simply overworked. Detox drink helps when taken correctly, consistently, and as part of disciplined lifestyle. Now let me give you 4 points about which you need to be cautious. First, don't fall in the trap of aggressive detox products or prolonged fasting without guidance. The liver detoxifies naturally. Our role is to support, not shock the system. Second, avoid reheated oil, excessive alcohol, unnecessary supplements, and frequent late night meals. Finish dinner by 7:30 or 8 p.m. The liver follows circadian rhythm. Late night eating disturbs this natural cycle. Third, 1 cup alone is not enough. It works best when combined with daily walking, simple yogasans like Yogendra Pavan Muktasan and Yogendra Ardha Matsyendrasan, and 10 minutes of deep diaphragmatic breathing. Twisting postures gently massage abdominal organs and improve circulation to your liver region. Lastly, sleep before 11 p.m. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., the body undergoes natural repair processes. If you are awake scrolling on the phone, this repair is disturbed. So you see, this 1 cup is not just a drink, it is daily reminder, a reminder to eat mindfully, to move the body, to respect digestion, to live rhythmically. You must understand that your liver is silent, patient, and hard working. Treat this and give same respect as you are giving to your earning member at home. Health is not built in hospital. Health is built in kitchens and in daily routines. Namaskar.